of you are trying to get rid of the thing that God has put in your life to humble you, to keep you on your knees before Him. Can you just imagine if some of us weren't fighting battle, maybe some of us would even be in church today. If some of us have life the way that we really want it, some of us would forget God. Can you just imagine you have a couple $1 million and your body is working, no sickness? Why you need God? You have money, you have influence, everything working, because the Bible said money answered all things. If some of us who have money wouldn't be in church today now. Some of you need to thank God that you don't have it the way you want to have it, because we would not be walking with God. Maybe we would be on the beach right now in our bikini, just lay down nice and I take sun bath. Amen. In our own jet traveling the world. Because if some of us broke and we don't remember God, you can't just imagine if we were rich. But God says some things have allowed to keep you humble. So right now, some of us are in the schoolroom where life has become a teacher, teaching us the ways of God. Trouble leads man to God.